Hello friends, recently you have come across a good news about anti-COVID drug and this drug known as 2-DG or 2-deoxy-D-glucose. In this presentation, I will discuss structure, IUPAC name and mechanism of action of this drug called 2-deoxy-D-glucose. Please note that this drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose is existed for years. It has been used as anti-cancer agent in some laboratory testings as well as in PET scan. Our scientists from Institute of Nuclear Medicines and Allied Science, that is run by DRDO, has designed the dosage form in such way that this drug is selectively taken up by infected cells only. You can say this drug is designed in novel dosage form. Although they do not specify that if this drug harms to normal cells or has no impact on the normal cell at all. Last year in the month of April, during the first wave of pandemic, our scientists from Institute of Nuclear Medicines and Allied Science started conduction of laboratory experiment with the help of Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology that is situated in Hyderabad and found that this molecule works effectively against SARS coronavirus 2 and inhibits the viral growth. First, let's discuss its generic name, deoxy-D-glucose. On the screen, you can see the structure of D-glucose at the left side and the structure at right side is of 2-DG or 2-deoxy-D-glucose. You can see there this one. The structure at right side, you can see that there is no oxygen at position of 2 carbon and there is a hydrogen atom instead of hydroxy group and the hydrogen atom is highlighted in red. That's why it is called as deoxy. Here D means without and oxy means oxygen atom and D-glucose stands for dextro form of glucose. I hope you guys are well aware about dextro and levo form of organic compounds. Some other names of 2-DG, deoxyglucose, 2-deoxy-D-glucose and 2-desoxy-D-glucose. The chemical formula of 2-DG is C6H12O5 and the molecular weight of 2-DG is 164.16 gram per mole and its IUPAC name is 3R, 4S, 5R and 3456 tetrahydroxyhexanal. Here the number refers to the chiral carbon position in the molecule according to IUPAC numbering, while R and S represents the orientation of chiral atom. In this video, I am not discussing about how to synthesize 2-DG, but this can be synthesized by D-glucose. The most important things about this drug you should know that how this medicine works. You must know the mechanism of action of this drug. The proliferative or cancerous cells as well as cells infected by virus need more glucose for growth. In case of viral infection, glucose needed for reprogramming of cell metabolism to replicate itself. As we know that glucose molecules enter to cells by transport mechanism and similarly 2-DG also enters as it is analog of glucose. Once it's enter inside cells, 2-DG compete with glucose to bind with hexokinase enzyme. This way it inhibits metabolism of tumor cells as well as cells infected by virus. Just focus on left part of image also encircled in red on the screen. You can see 2-deoxy-D-glucose is entering inside cells via glucose transporters and inside cells it bind with hexokinase and produce 2-deoxy-D-glucose 6-phosphate. The product of this reaction is trapped within the cell and cannot be used by subsequent steps of glycolysis, in resulting the accumulation of 2-DGP and causing product inhibition of hexokinase. This phenomenon leads depletion of ATP. In results, proliferative cells as well as cells infected by virus starting dying. Based on this, we can classify 2-DG as an antiviral drug. But in true sense, it is not an antiviral drug because it is not killing the virus directly. It only gets accumulated or aggregated inside the cells and cuts off the growth material required for the virus to grow. in the classical sense, therefore we cannot call it as antiviral drug. At present, this medicine comes in powder form in a sachet, which is taken orally by dissolving it in water. Since it has been approved for emergency use only, so it has to be taken under supervised conditions.